हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल लर्निंग विद डॉक्टर सिंपी। और आज हम करेंगे सुपर ट्रिक फॉर रिंग एक्सपेंशन एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन। दिस टाइप ऑफ रिंग एक्सपेंशन एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन टेक प्लेस इन हाइड्राइड, मिथाइल और फिनाइल शिफ्ट. If there is a hydride shift, methyl shift or phenyl shift, such type case there is a ring expansion and contraction take place. What is hydride shift, methyl shift? These all come in carbocation rearrangement. I will send the link in description box to know what is hydride shift, methyl shift. Now few points which we have to learn for before doing the trick of ring expansion and contraction. These are, first is ring expansion and contraction take place in case of carbocation. Ring expansion and contraction only take place in the system which contain carbocation as an intermediate. Shifting take place to gain stability. There is a I tell previously that there is a hydride methyl shift. This shifting take place to gain stability. As we know that tertiary carbocation is more stable than that of secondary, then primary, and then a methyl carbocation. So there is a shifting of hydride या methyl radical methyl ion take place. Minus H negative ion or minus CH3 negative ion. There is a shifting take place, and there is a ring expansion or ring contraction. Now we know that the stability increases as the ring size increases. For example, this is 3-member ring, this is 4-member, 5-member, 6-member and 7-member ring. 4-member ring is more stable in comparison to 3-member ring. Why? Because in case of 4-member ring, there are angle is 90 degree, and in case of 3-member ring, it is 60 degree. As the angle strain decreases, so stability increases. But 6-member ring is more stable than that of 7-member ring. Why? Because it exists in the form of chair form, board form, which is 6-member ring. Now I will come to the topic which is ring expansion and ring contraction. This is a figure. Firstly, I will tell that ring expansion take place in the carbon change, which is C4 to C5 or C5 to C6. Means 4-member ring converted into 5-member ring in case of expansion, and 5-member ring converted into 6-member ring in case of expansion. And in case of contraction, C4 4-member ring converted into 3-member ring. And which ring has ring expansion take place, or in which ring contraction take place? This is the example where ring contraction take place. For example, in this is a 4-member ring. If positive charge on the carbon of the ring, if there is a positive charge on the ring, then there is ring contraction take place. And if there is positive charge outside the ring, for example in this case 4-member ring, and the positive charge outside the ring, then in this case ring expansion take place. And ring expansion occur from 4-member to 5-member and 5 to 6-member ring, and ring contraction from 4-member to 3-member ring. Now I will take the example of ring expansion and contraction, how this take place and what is the trick. So firstly I am doing ring expansion. Ring expansion, in this case 4-member ring, I take the example of 4-member ring. For example, this is a 4-member ring and positive charge present outside the ring. Then in this case there is ring expansion take place. So what is the trick? Firstly, positive charge है उसको हम लेंगे number 1, then 2 and then 3. Firstly you learn that numbering will done for easiest way to know the trick 1, 2 and 3. Now there is breaking of the bond between 2 and 3. This bond will break, and there is formation of a new bond, which is this one. How this bond breaking and formation take place? If this bond break, then this electron will shift over there. So this will get partial positive charge and this carbon number 3 get partial negative charge. अब ये लर्न करना है, जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा उसी के पास ही जो कार्बन होगा, आई विल टेक ऑन दैट positive charge. So positive, positive and negative. I think this will be easy. Then after that there is a formation of an intermediate. How this formation of intermediate take place? You just draw this and this. This is, and there is this bond will break and this new bond will form. And ये जब बॉन्ड फॉर्म होगा देन पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज न्यूट्रलाइज, सो दिस बॉन्ड विल बी फॉर्म विदाउट एनी चार्ज एंड पॉजिटिव चार्ज ऑन कार्बन नंबर 2. दिस इज कार्बन नंबर 1, दिस इज कार्बन नंबर 2 एंड दिस इज कार्बन नंबर 3. एंड कार्बन नंबर 1 एंड 3 पे जो पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव चार्ज था वो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव चार्ज खत्म हो जाएगा और ओनली पॉजिटिव चार्ज एट कार्बन नंबर 2. After that, this is an intermediate. Okay. After that, ऐसे ही है, just like this. This is positive charge. Okay. अब 1, 2, 3, sorry यहां से नंबरिंग कर रहे हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 4-member ring converted into 5-member ring, and it also be written like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is positive charge. How this ring expansion take place? Now I will take the next example of expansion of a 5-member ring converted into 6-member ring. So this is the example. This is a 5-member ring, and there will be a positive charge outside the ring. You also try to do this by using the trick. I will take number 1 here, 1, 2 and 3. This bond will break like this. Break होगा then क्या होगा देखिए, 1, 2, 3, this, ये वाला बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा और इसके बीच में ये ब्रेक होगा, तो इस पे नेगेटिव चार्ज और इस पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज. कार्बन नंबर 2 गेट पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड कार्बन नंबर 3 गेट नेगेटिव चार्ज. Then positive and negative charge combine and there is a bond formation between this and this, carbon number 1 and this bond will break. Okay. और ये वाला बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा और यहाँ पर ये बॉन्ड है ही इस टाइप से, तो ये होगा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 इस टाइप से. तो ये क्या होगा, कार्बन नंबर 2 पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ जाएगा. 1 और 3 जो है ये कार्बन नंबर 1 एंड दिस कार्बन नंबर 3, ये दोनों बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन होगा और ये वाला बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा. दिस इज एन इंटरमीडिएट. सो कैसे होगा देखिए, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड 6 और पॉजिटिव चार्ज एट कार्बन नंबर 2. दिस इज कार्बन नंबर 2. तो इसको हम कैसे ले सकते हैं, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 और यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज. This is the ring expansion from 5-member ring to 6-member ring. अब I will take the example, one more example to clarity of this whole intermediate formation mechanism. For example, I will take a 5-member ring just like this and this. This is the example. In this case, there is positive charge over here and one methyl group also attached. Not to be worried. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon get negative charge, 2 carbon get positive charge, 1 and 3 carbon combine and this bond will break. If I write without intermediate, then what the step? Firstly write this 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6 ऐसे ही रहेंगे, तो 4, 5, 6 मैंने एज इट इज रख दिया. ये वाला बॉन्ड भी ऐसे कैसा रहेगा, ये बॉन्ड ऐसे रख दिया हमने, ये बॉन्ड भी ऐसा है और 1 और 3 के बीच में बॉन्ड बनेगा, तो हमने ये बॉन्ड बना दिया इस टाइप से और ये एक मिथाइल लगा दिया और यहाँ पर क्या आ गया, पॉजिटिव चार्ज. दिस इज द मैकेनिज्म एंड इट ऑल्सो कैन बी रिटन एज this positive charge, this one is positive charge और उसके जो नेक्स्ट कार्बन है उसके साथ मिथाइल, दिस वन इज नेक्स्ट कार्बन एंड दिस इज मिथाइल ग्रुप. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द ring. But in this case, if we see, then there is a shifting of a hydride ion, because this is this carbon, at this carbon 1 and 2 carbon attached, so it is a secondary carbocation. And if we see this, then 1, 2 and 3 carbon attached, so it is a tertiary carbocation. So we know that tertiary carbocation is more stable than that of secondary carbocation. So if there is a hydrogen present, this hydrogen will shift with their electrons to that of this carbon. This hydrogen will shift to this carbon with the electron. If it go with the electron, then it will become positive charge. So this is the structure. ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज नहीं रहेगा, यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज, and this one is methyl. So this ring is more stable as it is a tertiary carbocation. So this is the example of hydride shift. Now I will take the example which will come in the exam. Example is this one. In the presence of, reaction take place in the presence of aqueous silver nitrate, then what is the product? You have to do this. Very simple example. How it will be done? देखिए, सबसे पहले silver nitrate in aqueous means it contain also water, means H positive plus OH negative ion. Ag combined with Br minus AgBr, and Br is negative charge and Ag is positive charge. NO3 combined with H positive ion and HNO3 nitric acid is released. By removing this Br negative, there is a positive charge formation over there. So positive charge formation, okay, and remaining group is OH negative ion. OH negative ion. Okay. Now, what the product? If you don't know the ring expansion and contraction trick, then you write the product is ये positive charge है, then OH combine over there. This is the product, but this is wrong. How will you do? Firstly, you will convert as positive charge and the outside the ring. So there is a ring expansion take place just like this above example. So it form a 6-member ring, and after that there is a shifting of hydride ion, because tertiary carbocation is more stable than that of tertiary carbocation. So it may be written like this: CH3 and plus, and after that it will react with OH negative ion, and the product is OH and CH3. This is the right answer. I think you learn this very well. This is the ring expansion. Now I will do ring contraction. Now the ring contraction. Ring contraction is the positive charge on the ring. This is the positive charge, and the trick remains the same. This is carbon number 1, जिस पे positive charge है. This one is 2 and this one is 3. And the bond breaking take place in this case. This get positive charge and second and third get negative charge. If this take place, then intermediate is just like this, this, this and this. This remain the same. So there is a bond breaking of this. So this one is bond break take place, and there is a bond formation between this and this atom. Okay. So there is a ring contraction. This carbon number 1, by this is bond formation, positive and negative charge. Positive and negative charge combine plus like this, and this bond will be breaking, and ये ब्रेक होगा और इस पे क्या होगा, पॉजिटिव चार्ज. दिस इज एन इंटरमीडिएट. एंड हाउ दिस टेक प्लेस, बॉन्ड ऐसे, ये बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन हो गया और उसके बीच का बॉन्ड ब्रेक हुआ. दिस इज पॉजिटिव चार्ज. एंड इट कैन ऑल्सो बी रिटन इन सिंपल फॉर्म जस्ट लाइक दिस. ओके, 1 2 3 and this bond and positive charge. So this is the positive charge. So this is a ring contraction. Now I will take an example to explain it clearly. For example, Br, it react with aqueous silver nitrate. Aqueous means water. So removal of minus AgBr minus HNO3 and remaining is OH negative ion. After removing of this, there is a positive charge generation by removing of AgBr and there is a formation of this positive charge at the ring. If you don't know about ring expansion and contraction, you will write the product is OH. This is wrong. But instead of this, it will take place just like this. Positive, ये second carbon, this one is third carbon. This bond will break. It will get negative charge. It will get positive charge. Positive negative combine, and there is a formation of this one and this and positive charge. It can be written as this type. Okay, and then after this, hydroxide ion will come, and the product will be OH. This is the final product. And I will give one more question which you have to done by yourself for practicing, that you learn about ring expansion or contraction. So what is the example? This is the example of 5-member ring. I am taking the 5-member ring. This is Br. Okay, and in the presence of aqueous silver nitrate, what is the product? Okay, in this case, just I have explained in ring expansion there is a shifting of hydride. I give a clue. In this case, there are shifting of CH3 negative ion, because tertiary carbocation is more stable than that of secondary carbocation. So try to do it by yourself and comment me answer in the comment section. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.